Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now, I know often we're struggling with motivation. To be fair, it's something that I struggle with sometimes as well. The problem is often we might put down money or wealth or how much we achieve to success, but that's not necessarily true. You see, your motivation shouldn't be money as such, because if it's money, well, look, if today you're on £30,000 and you make 50,000 or £70,000 a year, would your motivation just die? Will you continue pushing on for the things you want to push on for? It has to mean a lot more than that. So if you're currently trying to start a business for yourself, if you're currently trying to do hustles and you're finding as if you can't get going with your first few steps, trust me when I say this, you want to think of the bigger picture. How can what you're doing right now benefit the Muslims? How can what you're doing right now benefit the wider population? Maybe you're thinking too small where you just want a little bit more money. Maybe you need to think from the avenue of, no, I want to make X money, not for myself, again, for the benefit of the people. Now, look, there is a big mindset issue that we often have. And for example, we're currently in September and people will talk to their friends and their family and say, yeah, I'm planning right now. I'm going to get going next week. I'm going to get going, a week after. I'm going to get going in January. It's September right now. But how many times have you told yourself currently it's Wednesday? I'm not going to start right now. I'm going to start next week, Monday. Why? Why would you not start today? Why would you not start this month? Why are you talking about starting later on? The reality is you are making an excuse. The reality, if you're being honest with yourself, you aren't being fair to yourself and you are making an excuse to say you will start. But guess what? When that time comes, you won't want to start either. So if you're looking to achieve something, if you're looking for motivation, one, your motivation should be in something grand, something big, benefiting the Muslims. When that happens, no doubt you feel much better about yourself when you achieve something. If it's money related, I'll be honest, money itself doesn't have, much happiness in it, much fulfillment. When your fulfillment comes from helping the people, no doubt you're going to feel good with that. So have that, but also take action straight away. Often people are not committing towards the action. The action just doesn't happen, by the way. You guys will, maybe you thought to yourself in January, by the way, I like this video. Let me know in the comments below if this was you. I know a lot of people did this. In January, you said you're going to start your business. You're going to change many things about your life. You're going to do X and X and X and X. Did you? I mean, we're in September. 9 months later, have you really changed much about your life? Because if you haven't, then you need to today, not January, because guess what? You're going to tell yourself in January, I'm going to start. January is going to come. It's going to be September. You're going to watch this video again by me if, I make this video again. And then guess what? You're going to be like, well, same thing, right? Days and months go fast very quickly. Years go fast very quickly. I'm 30 years old. I still remember when I was 20, and that was 10 years ago. And it feels like yesterday. I'm sure many of you will be in the same situation. So commit to the action straight away. Do it now, not next week, not next month, now. If you watch this video and you wanted to do something and you wanted to commit to an action right now, comment below, let me know the action you made, do it right now, and then can be consistent. Tomorrow, day after, day after, day after. Let's just get it done, because only when you get it done will you move forward and you start tasting some level of progression. But that's all from me. Barakallah feek. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.